name is Tony Darroch, and today I'm going to show you how you can use the Eureka as a painting platform. The Eureka is 12 by 11 inches in size, and it enables you to pop your artwork inside and paint whilst it's on your lap or whilst you are on the go. I'm just popping in this high density foam here along with our bar magnet. This will allow all of our artwork to stay put and not move should we be indoors or outdoors. You also get within the Eureka a beautiful watercolour brush which sits within the housing element at the base here, so you're never sure to lose your brush. You also have the mixing station across the top of your Eureka and along the right hand side. So all we need to do is grab our fantastic colours and have some fun. Today I'm going to be mixing my colours at the top of our Eureka here, and I'm just going to paint my beautiful sketched image and fill in that design to create something very artistic and very fun. If I run out of the watercolour wells across the top and the base, I can also use my door, which is an acrylic non-porous door, to use as an extra mixing station. Once you've finished, you are able to create the most beautiful handmade, hand-finished, painted cards that's going to make anybody look like an artist. Be sure to check out the next video because I'm going to be showing you how to use the Eureka with your clear stamps, your rubber stamps, and most importantly, your MDF.